Hey everybody, I'm so excited to show you another project and basically a quick way to upload a new project. So let's dive in and get it started. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my link here. That's going to take me to the dashboard to upload a new project. I'm going to enter my username and password. You can hit remember me so you won't have to do this thing every time. This will take you to the back office where you can upload new projects and manage everything you have. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on map and hit. That's going to take me to our little dashboard here. And here we have, some tips for you guys and new projects and some other stuff. We'll add more stuff to this thing as we go. So let's dive in. What I'm going to show you today is literally how to upload a project as fast as possible. We'll see how long it's going to take. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pick up a title. I already chose and kind of wrote it on the side here for me. So electrician, let's just make sure I don't have any spelling mistake here, just to be on the safe side. I had a feeling. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to just change this. Awesome. So electrician creating an outdoor outlet, Scottsdale, and then the zip code. I love using the city and zip code in my project titles, and then the keywords I'm trying to rank for, I do want to have it at the beginning. That just gives it a lot more authority. Second thing I'm going to do after adding the title, I'm going to add a short description here. Work was performed by main Valley. So I'm just going to add something short. You don't have to do anything. If you want to just do it real quick, but if you don't and you have time and you're able to, it's best to have, I want to say about maybe 75 to 300 words here. You can also see that words counter is right here at the bottom, but if you just want to do it quick, just leave it as is, okay? Since we are doing one that is pretty quick, we can just edit this thing here. This is just too long. I'm going to remove the site title, and I'm just going to keep this thing as is. So my page is going to be electrician creating outdoor outlet, Scottsdale, and the zip code. I'm going to leave the meta description as is, and then I have to enter an address. So this is my full address. Obviously, I'm not going to use the street number because we don't want to point it directly to the homeowner, to the home we did it. So I'm just going to have the street, and from the drop down menu, I'm going to choose this guy, and then it's going to create that pin for me. Second, I'm going to add some photos to the gallery, and all I'm going to do here, I'm just going to drag some, and let's see, we're going to go here. Nope, should have, sorry. Need to go to add gallery. It is adding it, so that's perfect. And we're going to wait a little bit here. Sometimes if your photos are quite heavy, it takes a while, but usually it's not that long. So let's just give it another couple seconds here, and we should be up and running. And awesome. So I'm gonna go to the media library, and then it's gonna let me choose. If you have a photo that is upside down or vertically, you can click on edit image, go here, change the direction on it, and hit save, and it will flip it as needed. So this is fine. This needs to be flipped as well. Sometimes this happens with photos that are horizontally or vertically, so you'll have to do that. And let's see this thing here. I'm going to flip this one as well. I'm going to flip this one. Looks like I got to do that for all of them. But it is what it is. It's going to take just another second. And this as well. And this is my last one. Cool. So I'm going to hit save. And beautiful. Now all the ones that are marked with the check mark will be added to the project. So I'm going to click here, add to gallery. It's going to bring it here. just make sure everything is good. Here you can also change the order of things, so you can just drag it. Go back and, oops, edit gallery. Let's see. It should, I'm gonna have to add those again. Look at these guys. All right, so now it's in the order. Now I can do that. Update, and all of my photos are gonna be here. I'm gonna go up a little bit, and then I'm gonna start from the bottom up. Project image, this is gonna be the main image. I'm gonna use this thing here. And then I'm gonna give it some tags. I already have some ready, so we're gonna use one that'll be a pergola. I think I already have something perfect. So pergola. I'm gonna do an outdoor installation, and I'm gonna do electrician, and then I'm gonna use the city and zip code. I usually choose about 3 to 5 tags, and then a category for this one can be electric work, or maybe electrical work. I'm going to add a new one. Perfect. And then all I have to do, I have to click publish. And I'm going to show you one more thing. This is going to be our last step. Now this is where the magic happens. The moment you hit publish, it uploads everything to the server. And the second you hit update, this is where our system comes in and do all of the optimizations for the text, for the titles, for the geotag, for the images. Everything is done once you hit it again. And now let's see this page that we have here. Beautiful. So we got our main image here, we got our pin on the map, we got our projects categories, titles, our short description, other photos. As you can see, the file name have already changed to Pergola Scottsdale Outdoor Installation Electrician. And then we can of course see all that stuff here. And that's it. This is how you do it. Pretty simple. If you want to go back and edit, you can just click here, Edit Project. And you can just do your edits. You can add some more texts. You can change, you can add photos, change your categories, and that's pretty much it. So it's pretty quick. Good luck, guys. I'm excited to see you uploading as many projects as you can.